Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Thuleleni Mnci. My company name is Techmend Repairs. My company started in 2024, June. We currently operating in third floor, Riga's house, next to Varsity College in Port Elizabeth. I saw a gap as a young woman, a black woman. We know that this type of a business is mostly congested with people from outside the country and also male figures. So for me as an IT student, I decided to start this business. And also since technology is a broad thing, I saw that I should start doing it as a way of being in contact with people around and also to give the best service. My company is an ICT company which deals with repairs. We deal with laptop repairs, cell phone repairs, PC repairs. All your problems, it's either your software problem, your network problem. Also we fix the hardware, the LCDs, and also any technical issues that you encounter. The reason you can choose us to do your repairs is that we are convenient, we also reliable, we provide guarantee, we also have original equipment that we are using. We also provide extra services like your apps. We update your apps also. We also give you much information about the recent technology. You can contact us at 060-397-2852. You can either call us or you can WhatsApp us. Also, you can find us on Facebook, Techmend Repairs. Also in Instagram, Techmend Repairs. Also, you can find us in Twitter at Techmend Repairs. Okay. Hi, my name is Thuleleni Mnci. I'm the Township Entrepreneur.